Good day, peeps. Another day, another dollar. Alright. So today I'm going to service this car. Just minor servicing. I'm going to change the oil, filters, right? Because it's more than one filters. Yeah, so here I was gathering tools, getting the tools ready. So a socket, a 14 socket I'm going to use to pull the oil bung that's underneath the car. So I'm getting my tools all cleaned up and ready. That already laid down my cardboard to lay on, just so I don't mess up my clothes. You know what I mean? Yeah. Not because we are working on a car literally mean that we have to be dirty, you know what I mean? Yeah. Try my best to stay clean no matter what I'm doing. Alright, so that's where I took out the filter, the oil filter. I'm gonna put a little oil in it. Yeah, around the rim. Yeah. Before I screw it underneath the car. Alright. And this is a Toyota Probox, a 2017 Toyota Probox. Alright. The oil I'm using in this car is Toyota oil. First time I'm using this brand of oil since I've been changing the oil. Last time I think it was Mobil oil that I've used. So I'm giving this one a try. It was highly recommended. So you know what I mean, I'm gonna go ahead and give it a try. And guys, trust me, this that I'm doing, it's really fun for me. Yeah. Every weekend that I get the opportunity to go under this car, jack it up. Sometimes I take off all four wheels to go under it. Make sure everything is intact. Make the necessary checks. Yeah, because cars, motor vehicles and a whole, it's basically wear and tear. So you always have to keep a check to make sure, you know what I mean? Alright, so at this point I've sealed back the bung, the oil bung that is. So I'm about to start to pouring my oil into the engine. It's 4 quarts of oil. this point, I'm going to remove the cover, the cover of my engine top, just to, do a little deep clean. No oil leaks. I mean, it's just some dust that is hanging around. I want to get rid of them, so I'm just going to do a little, wipe down. I like to see my engine clean and spunk, so each time that I get to go around and wipe it down a little, spray some WD-40 in and around the area just to keep it shine. Yeah man, I always try to do that. At this time I was trying to remove the airflow, get the filter out so I can do a change of filter. It was a bit stubborn here, so I had to get the screwdriver to remove the tube out of the way. That's my son there playing around. Yeah, so I'm through here. I'm gonna remove the wheel from underneath the car, get the jack down, and I believe that's it for today. It was a successful oil change. You know what I mean? I love to know that the oil in my car engine is fresh. Yeah man. And again, my peeps, my loyal subscribers, thank you all. And for all my viewers who haven't subscribed as yet, I'm asking you, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button. I'm on a journey to 1,000 subscribers. You know what I mean? So please encourage me to put out more contents like these. Help me to, or encourage me to give you guys a lot more contents like this one and more. Alright? Bless up. Thank you for tuning in again. Alright? Don't forget to like, share, subscribe.